I have eventually managed to do this jumper. Yes, it's all hand knitted by Mummy. Oh my goodness.
What are you doing, you big
What is he doing?
Do you want some loving?
No.
What is it, you big lummox? What are you doing here, Daddy? You coming upstairs for what? What are you coming here for, eh? Hey, give us a kiss. Hey, Scooby.
Right, Lily, where's your toy then?
Scooby. Listen, Scooby. Listen. This isn't going to go well. Oh, it's not going to go well, is it? What are you doing, you big lummox? What are you doing, you big lummox?
Sit on your lap, Daddy. I'm a lap dog.
Hey, lap dog. Simba, what are you doing with Daddy? Huh? What are you doing, you big lummox? Hey, can I have my legs back? You just want to come up for a cuddle?
Okay, so you show her the exercise, how to stretch, and she
Now
will
we
repeat
got
after. Okay?
We roll it together here and here. Roll the ball.
If you get her to run after the ball, would she
No.
run after the ball? There we go, she's after it. She's after it. Roll over. Oh. You pass it to me. Pass it. She's She likes my hands so much. Why do you like my hands so much?
This is picking up the whole hand. So now.
Oh, wow. What do you think? My hand is tasty. Huh? What do you think? My hand is tasty.
Now.
So she's not interested in the ball. She's interested in the look at her. Look at her doing this movement. So, what do you call it? So what is that?
He got a diamond on that. We should have called her Diamond. I think. High 5, high 10, high 10.